This video is going to walk through how to add rational algebraic expressions. So we have two rational algebraic expressions, 3 over xy squared plus another rational algebraic expression, negative 11 over x squared y. These are different from polynomials, and instead we call them rational algebraic expressions because we have variables in the denominator. The assumption here is that there is a restriction, x and y cannot equal 0. So we have to first determine what will our common denominator be. And so looking at xy squared and x squared y, we will need a new common denominator. That will be x squared y squared. Now I need to determine what will I multiply 3 over xy squared by in order to transform or rename it so it has a denominator of x squared over y squared. This is the same concept when we take 3/4 and we call it 6/8. We are renaming these expressions or fractions so that they have a common denominator. So we will need to multiply by an x over x. So I'm going to show that in my work with some parentheses, multiplying by x over x. That satisfies my denominator, and my numerator becomes 3x. Now we'll move over to the other term, the negative 11 over x squared y. I need to multiply that by y over y. So again, I will show that with parentheses, multiplying by y over y. That's just a form of 1. I'm just renaming this. And so I get a numerator of negative 11y. Keep in mind that negative 11 over x squared y is exactly equivalent to negative 11y over x squared y squared, because I multiplied by a form of 1. I just renamed it, in the same way that 2/6 is the same as 1/3. And finally, because I have a common denominator, I can now simplify this expression, and so I get 3x plus negative 11y in my numerator all over the common denominator, x squared y squared.